Jai Hind everyone, and a very warm welcome to this session at the Kashmir Literature Festival. Some stories are written to be remembered, and some stories are written because they deserve to be remembered. Shurveer, the inspiring story of Colonel R.K. Sharma, Kirti Chakra, Shaurya Chakra, and Sena Medal. Today we are joined by the authors of this book, Sarvashresth Sharma and Sarfarosh Sharma. I am Harun Imtiaz, and it's my pleasure to moderate this session. So without taking much time, let's begin. So Sarvashresth, my first question is with you. From what I understand, the journey of this book began with you, and later Sarfarosh joined the process. So tell us, how did the idea of documenting the life and journey of Colonel R.K. Sharma come to you, and at what point did you realize that this story had to become a book?
So for this, I would have to go back to 2019. So it was Kargil Vijay Divas, 26th of July. So Baba comes home with a huge smile from his office, and he was holding a big card. So in which it was written Kargil War Hero, Colonel R.K. Sharma, 0.5 for 6 and a lot of things. So that time, a lot of people used to tell me, your father is this, your father is that. So that day I thought कि चलो check करते हैं कि क्या है, कैसे है. So I checked upon him कि क्या scene है, क्या everything what he has done, from joining army since 1986 and then being in operations in 93, then becoming an officer. And when I checked all this, so I was shocked कि okay, this is a different scenario overall. Like what I have seen him, like he's a father to me, but at the same time he's someone else. So I thought कि we'll do something. At that time, Gen Z, we are the people who think कि हाँ photography, videography, movies वगैरह में. तो उस time पे starting में I thought कि movie बनाएंगे. So one of my friends, he told me कि यार movies ऐसी चली जाती हैं, books long for, they just long. So I said like, okay चलो book लिखते हैं. अब book लिखते हैं तो when his retirement was coming close, that time I thought कि I was checking upon कि हाँ किससे लिखवा सकते हैं, कैसे लिखवा सकते हैं, but I didn't have the resources. So someone was telling me कि इतने में लिखी जाएगी, ये होगा, वो होगा. So when his retirement was coming close, so I thought चलो खुद लिखते हैं. हम लिखते, he joined me after 6-7 months. I told him कि हाँ ऐसा सीन है, I was planning a surprise, तो अब थोड़ी मदद कर दो. So he joined afterwards. So that's how the process of book started.
Okay, so Sarfarosh, coming to you now, like Colonel R.K. Sharma's journey covers up operations, leadership, Kargil, NCC, and years of military service. But if you had to pick one chapter or one incident from Shurveer and say this one truly captures who Colonel R.K. Sharma is, which would it be and why?
Colonel R.K. Sharma cannot be covered in one chapter. It is a big book. And I think all the chapters have made him the man he is, how he has lived his life. Born in 1965 and 2026, one of the most decorated officers of the Indian Army, has served in Northeast, Kashmir, he has been wounded, grenade shrapnels, bullet wounds, everything. Has served in combat under United Nations flag. So one chapter isn't worth it. I think the whole life, how he has made it, is something we can talk about. He went in as a soldier. He served as a soldier for 9 years. Served in Kashmir, had enormous operations. Got commended for his work in Kashmir. Then became an officer. Served in Kargil in 1999 as lieutenant. Went on to Congo 2003, did wonders there, and then in 2006 he was shifted to Northeast, and then Kirti Chakra, Shaurya Chakra, Sena Medal, one of the country's highest medals. So, I mean, what a life. And I don't know if many would know, but he is the only person in the country, and he is from Jammu and Kashmir, to be decorated in one single ceremony by the President of India. So he's the only person since we got our independence. I mean, but a son of our soil.
So Sarvashresht, while writing this book, was there any story, incident or chapter where you genuinely stopped and thought, I knew this person as my father, but I never fully knew this side of his journey?
Again, the same thing. There are a lot of stories, you can't tell anyone because every story is a different person. So, I would go with my favorite one, and there's also favorite one, the Sena Middle story. So, I was a kid then, and alright, okay.
Please, tell this in Hindi.
Alright. So the story goes like one day, it was 23rd of Jan 2009. He got a letter from, say, X organization saying, sorry to inform you, Major Sharma, your name has been deleted from existing human beings list. You are a good man, but we don't have any other option. Take care. So, normally किसी को अगर ऐसे एक hit letter आता है तो इंसान normally डर जाता है being a civilian or say someone else. So, after a week, the guy who sent the letter, he was neutralized by him again. So, when I got to know this when I was studying for this book, I was collecting stories. I was like, okay, this is some James Bond thing he's done. ऐसे करते हैं, he's my father again. तो ऐसे James Bond वाली चीज़ें तुम करते हो, ऐसे, that's just different, that's different hype. But this is my story, I find him different that way. There are some other stories when he comes home, मेरे लिए he was someone कि वो मेरे लिए gifts ला रहे हैं घर पे, पापा हैं, आते हैं, जाते हैं, and on the other hand, he's doing something else.
So thank you so much, Sarvashresht and Sarfrosh, for joining us and for sharing the story behind the Shoorveer with us today. And thank you everyone for being a part of this session. And before we leave the stage, I would like to request to Colonel R.K. Sharma to kindly come on stage and share a story or an experience with